Drowning in disconnected GPTs, broken prompts, and clunky UIs? I was too, until I found a better way. A faster, cleaner, more reliable way to build with AI. Let me show you what changed everything. At one point, I had a custom GPT for intake, another for summarizing transcripts, and a third for lead scoring. I was constantly switching tabs, tracking prompt versions, manually and hitting formatting bugs with every OpenAI UI update. I felt like my workflows were held together with duct tape. And every new update ripped the tape off. Worse, when something broke, I had no idea where to even start debugging. That's when I found the Chat Completions API, the same engine that powers ChatGPT, but without the interface friction. You send a system message, a user message, and the model replies. Clean, simple, and direct. No UI, no context window gymnastics, no random failures because a GPT file didn't save properly. With the API, I could version prompts in code, cache the best responses, and stream output in real time. That last one's huge. Streaming gives users instant feedback and makes everything feel faster. As OpenAI states in their own documentation, API for productions-ready systems, I rebuilt 3 core workflows using this approach. Same results, but half the friction. Before the switch, I spent 15 to 20 minutes per workflow just trying to wrangle prompts, cut paste errors, and format issues. Now, everything just works. Instead of trying to customize GPTs in a clunky UI, I now call the API directly. It's predictable, fast, and easy to maintain. According to OpenAI's status page, their uptime is 99.9%. And in my own use, I haven't seen a single outage in over 300 calls. This isn't some hidden hack. OpenAI's own documentation says the Assistance API is great for prototyping. But for production, use Chat Completions. And that's what tools like Zapier, Bubble, Retool, and even Retell are built on. Let me show you what I built in under 60 seconds. A lead intake assistant that qualifies the contact, summarizes their result, and sends it to a webhook. That's it. One API call in, one webhook out. And you don't have to be a developer to build this. I used NAN and Retell, but you could do the same with Zapier, Bubble, or VoiceFlow. In the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to plug this into a real-time Airtable workflow using NAN and a voice AI assistant. Custom GPTs are cool, but they're not built for scale. If you want reliability, speed, and complete control, build with the API that powers it all. Real AI runs on the API, powered by Precision AI Systems.